Okay, I thought I'd just do this on a video rather than do it live. So if you caught my live earlier, I started back on my trim fit. I'm now going to have BPM control. So this is an appetite suppressor that is also going to help control my blood sugars. It's going to help to keep me fuller because it's fibre. But the good thing about this as well is it's actually going to help promote my body's natural release of the GLP-1, a key hormone that supports appetite control. Because if you're like me at night, especially being menopausal, we end up wanting to snack because we get that craving for something sweet, or we just get that noise that even though we've had our tea and we're not really hungry, we could be bored, or whatever the reason, if you are watching what you eat throughout the day and then it comes to the evening time and you start to snack, you've undone all your hard work. So I've not taken this before, this is brand new, as you can see, not even been opened. I'm doing it now so you guys can see, and I will drop a link. If you want the link to get this, you can get my link with my code Pauline Rogers, all capital letters, and you can get 15% off. And if you get it on subscription, you're going to get a further 10% off as well. So in here is a scoop. Now I did read that it says if you are already on a fibre diet, to start off with a quarter of a scoop and build up to it. So because I've not had this before, I am only going to do half of a scoop and then increase it over the next few days, because I don't want to cause, because apparently if you have too much fibre, it can give you a bit more bloating, as it said in the information I've got. So you can see I've got about just trying to measure it out, probably about a third of the scoop. Can't actually see any markings, or is there markings on there? My lighting in here doesn't. I can see some lines on there, but I'm not quite sure. Anyway, I don't even know what taste this is going to be. So I've got a cup of water. I'm going to put that in. And then I'm going to stir it round. And then I'm going to take it. So I'm just going to sip it slowly. I'm going to give it a taste, and then I'm going to slowly sip this over a little period of time, like I would my normal. So sometimes, you know, this time of night, I'd have coffee. We don't really want to have more caffeine in our diet at night time, because it, you know, could stop you falling asleep. So I can tell you that has dissolved very, very quickly. Can't really, can you see that? I can't tip up any more than that because I'll tip it out. Ooh. Here goes. Cheers. It definitely tastes sweet, so that's going to stop me having that craving for something sweet. Not grainy, lovely and smooth. And apparently you can, I've seen somebody else who's affiliated with the company as well, has this with warm water or hot water, to have it as a hot drink or a cold drink, which is great. So win-win. We'll see how we get on, and I'll keep you updated. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this little video. So if you want to know more about control or about the trim fit that I started again today, because these are going to be my two best friends from now on, and hopefully help me to shift the weight and help with my cravings, and yeah, all good. So thanks for watching. Bye.